Hi guys, we're here in our library classroom to talk about research and databases. Now, databases are places where you can get completely accurate and peer-reviewed information. That means that people who are experts in their fields have checked all the information and made sure that it's true. Okay, so it's a good place to look up things that you want to know and know that you are getting accurate information. Now, for my second graders, some of this should probably be a review. But first graders, this is your first time on a database, so this is going to be brand new, and it's exciting. Databases are my favorite. Okay, so for this week, click on the computer, and that will take you to our database login page. And the password, you're going to click in the password box, and the password is START. S-T-A-R-T. If you need to pause the video here so you can see this, go ahead, but type into the password box START. S-T-A-R-T. Then hit enter or click on submit right there. All right. Now, the database I want you to use is called PebbleGo. All right, you're going to click on this one right here. It's got that big pink oval on it. That's how you know you're in PebbleGo. Once you're on PebbleGo, you can select what you're interested in. And just for this week, I just want you exploring. You can look up anything that interests you. So animals, science, biographies, social studies. So click on anything that takes your fancy, and we're going to be doing an assignment this week in quizzes. So when you're done doing some research on PebbleGo, you're going to go over and click on quiz, and there is a quiz that says PebbleGo that will be assigned to you. And all it's going to ask you is to tell me one interesting fact that you learned on PebbleGo. So find one interesting thing that you really liked on PebbleGo and write that down in your assignment. And that's it, guys. Have fun doing some research. Bye.